everyone, Florence here
and Lola here,
and today it's day two of our sleepover, and we are going to have so much fun because we're going to my nanny's house now and we're going to watch some fireworks.
We were meant to go to Pleasure Hills, but it's really windy out today, so we're just going
swimming. We were meant to go to the theme park, Pleasure Hills, but like it's really high winds and really rainy, so we're just going swimming in the pool at my nanny's house. And really excited.
And then we've got these.
Lola had to pack her bag because obviously
we're
dropping off. But we've got our Halloween kind of like
we got
hoodies.
She's got Halloween jumpers.
She's got the Nightmare
Before Christmas.
And I've got Ghostbusters.
And I put I'll move your hair so we can see it. And I'll just lift your head up because they can't really see. So it says Ghostbusters on it. And then we got these heart and star glasses, and I bought some sparklers, and we're going to do them tonight while we watch the firework. We're also bringing our journals, so
of course,
and we've added some more things in our journals, haven't we?
Yeah, since if you haven't watched the unboxing video where we unboxed Lola's DIY journal set, you should watch that next. But yeah, she got that journal, and this is
taller than Flo.
This is my
turn.
We're on the page. I'm doing a glow up page, which is pretty cute, and I do a little cream at the bottom.
Today I've been doing my daily planner.
So yeah, we're about to go to my nan's house. It's about like a 45-minute drive or something, but
I need to add to this
to keep us entertained in the car. We're gonna listen to some good music, and it's gonna be so much fun. So let's go to my nanny's house. So we've just arrived at my nanny's house, and Leo is attacking us. He's trying to get this toy gun we have.
And it's his, but he was chasing us with it, so he stole it. And we're just waiting for Flo's cousin.
Yeah, we're waiting for my cousin, and then we're going to go swimming. But do you like our little things? They're Halloween.
These are Leo's, but I've got his spiders.
Yeah, and these are mine, they're pumpkins. And we are now, actually, my nanny gave me a present, so we're just going to, I'll show you that. My nanny got me this present. It's supposed to go to it. And then we have some trousers. So yeah, that's the present she gave. So we just got back swimming, and we are about to go outside. We're going to do some sprinklers, and this is
sparklers, not sprinklers.
Sparklers. We're not sprinklers. We're not going to get any more wet than we just were. We're going to do some sparklers. Yeah, and we're going to have a barbecue. And this is me wearing the outfit. It's really cute. I love it. Really nice. And
we're going to do one of the crackers.
so now we're going to do crackers. So 3, 2, 1. Wait, hold on, guys. Oh, it's not working. We need to make the bang. I can't make the bang sound.
Why did the skeleton run away?
Because
from somewhere else, but you can't see him.
Because I'm not sure.
The dog wanted its bones.
Because the dog wanted its bones. That's
not very good. No, there's 2.
It's not bad.
So we got orange.
Also, I'm sorry guys about the noise. They're very noisy.
Yeah, Flo's little cousin's here and her little brother.
They're being very noisy.
And if you hear
Seriously,
don't keep shouting it.
yeah. Okay, so let's do another one. So we got this black one next, which is really pretty. It says trick or treat.
Trick or treat, smell my feet.
Oh, that one made a noise. So let's see what we got. Who keeps winning? Hopefully I win this one. Thanks.
So we got a hat, we got this little ghost. So these are the little ghosts we've got so far.
They're so cute.
It's meant to stick them in our journals. Oh yeah. It's meant to play a game, but we don't know how to play the game.
We're going to stick them in our journals.
We're going to do some journaling of this. So next we've got this nice blue one.
Yeah. Okay, so 3, 2, 1. Oh, can I have this one? Let's see.
If it's a different colour hat, it's not orange, can I have it?
Why wouldn't the ghost dance at the party?
Because it had nobody to dance with.
Yeah.
Holly needs to make the
What
food,
ghost
doesn't
did you
she?
get?
Holly, can you...
This one. So this one's pretty cute. I like it. But here's this one. And then we have another hat. So yeah, we just did our crackers. And I think we're now going to go outside and have a barbecue and do some sparklers. Let's go outside. We've got our gloves, our hats, scarves on.
I've not got a scarf. We've got, she's not got her Halloween jumper on, but I've got my own.
Yeah.
So we've got some neon light up glasses. She's got hearts. I've
So
got
the Let's Party 6 plus, and it's one pair of neon lights. They're like glow stick heart glasses, and they're
oh, sparklers.
oh,
Let's go.
we'll go do them in a second. Just gotta wear these. Oh my god! So they're like glasses, and these are so cool.
Look at.
Okay.
You stand away from Jonah.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, Leo's doing them. We'll do a video of sparklers in a second. Don't you guys worry. You
What's
won't
this?
miss anything. Oh, it gave you glow sticks.
Yeah, it gave you glow sticks.
Did it?
They're glow stick glasses.
Oh, did you put the glow sticks in the glasses?
Yeah.
Oh, that makes sense. I
Right,
thought
so
they were just glow sticks
gonna
anyways.
crack the first one.
There we go. Okay, so here are the glasses. I made them. And now I'm gonna get glow sticks.
Okay, mine's not completely glowing. What? Oh, I think that's just what they came in.
Yeah. Okay, so I'll crack my first one. Oh my gosh, it's glowing. I'll be back because there's lights where we are right now, like where we're under.
My first one ready. I'm gonna put it in here.
It's not glowing that much. It's like glowing, but I haven't got all the little bits, so I need to make
It's
sure
really hard to do.
Yeah, they're pretty hard. There's loads of little spots.
It's really
Oh,
hard
we
to
have-
get in the glasses
there's-
as well.
We'll try. Oh yeah, so you mean it's super tricky. We'll try and get them in. Because you have to bend it at the same time.
Yeah, and it's
You know what would have been so satisfying if we hadn't cracked them before before we put them in, so it would like crack while we're shaping it. Oh, I'm trying to get mine.
So you've got to eat. I might take my gloves off to do it because we've got gloves on for the sparklers. The boys are so cute. Cute as in like little baby cute, not like hot cute. So that's weird.
Hold on, wait for your face.
I can't do this. It's so literally so hard.
It is pretty tricky.
Leo just thought there was a button to put it on.
I've almost done the first one. Oh my god. My breath's like, you can see my breath. Oh my god, yay! I've done.
Lola, do you want sparklers?
Not going to, we're just doing our glow stick glasses. Oh. Okay guys, so I've done the first one. I've done the first one.
not big enough.
This is so hard. Guys, we might do the rest of these off camera and then we'll show you once we're finished.
I need to get a picture of you girls with the fireworks behind you, maybe. Can you do that?
barbecue, and it was very fun. We had sausages and chicken. There's Jonah, my cousin. We had sausages and chicken, but Lola had veggie sausages and potatoes.
Holly,
Yeah.
do you want to take some dish free
And,
for the children?
and then we just did a bit of journaling while we watched Secret Life with Pets 2. And yeah, basically it's almost burst though, so I've got to be careful. So we're now about to leave, which is sad. We're now about to leave, but I'm so excited because, well, I don't know if I'm excited for this or not, but we've got school tomorrow. I don't know if I'm excited or sad about that. So yeah, but we're now about to go take Lola back to her house. Yeah, guys. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Yeah, so make sure to like and subscribe, guys. Bye!